As I sit here at the place where the ocean meets the earth and the sand, I notice that this is a place of tremendous trust and generosity. There is a constant giving and receiving between the powerful waves that crash and then gently caress the surface of the sand, massaging it into different shapes. I notice how smooth and flat it is on certain days, and how hilly and carved it is on other days, or how strewn with pieces of seaweed, the bodies of dead birds or mammals, broken shells, half-eaten crabs, pieces of driftwood, or fragments of plastic parts from human-made machines. And I notice how the earth stands strong at this threshold, with the force and the power of this endless or seemingly endless ocean, and how that in and of itself is an act of generosity, to stand strong at the threshold, to receive whatever may come, to be willing to be shaped by that receiving. So it is an act of giving to be willing to receive and to remain strong, resilient, even in the act of giving of yourself and being shaped, being changed, being transformed by a power that you have no ability to measure or predict or control. And that is what I feel sitting here in this particular place on the earth, this very, very special threshold of the elements. And I'm inspired by the unconditional love that it represents between the earth, the sky, the air, and the water. All of the life that is supported by these elements that come together to feed, to play, to live, and to die at this place. So these qualities are present in the natural world, in the environments that sometimes we take for granted because we have thought of them only in terms of how we interact with them or use them for our own human entertainment or purpose. So the question is, what qualities can we draw and learn from the natural world as it is? What is it illustrating to us all the time in its magnificence